So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 13 repeated questions to answer on the topic a man after God's own heart. So this video will be about David's repentance and forgiveness. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. So the first question here says, according to Psalm 51, the sacrifice acceptable to God is A. A clean heart, B. A lamb without blemish, C. A broken spirit, D. Obedience. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. A clean heart. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here, question number 2 says, David's immediate reaction to the news that the hearts of the Israelites have gone after Absalom was to A. Plead with Absalom, B. Flee to the wilderness, C. Weep for Judah, D. Mobilize his army. Okay, so guys, the answer to this question is option B here, flee to the wilderness. So the immediate reaction of David to the news that the hearts of the Israelites have gone after Absalom was to flee to the wilderness. So David actually fled to the wilderness on receiving the news, and that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 3 here. It says, David's behavior after Prophet Nathan accused him of murder and adultery showed his A. righteousness, B. greed, C. justification, D. repentance. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. repentance. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, God forgave David when he took Bathsheba, the wife of Uriah, because A. David was a man after God's heart, B. The child he had with her died, C. David fasted and laid upon the ground, D. David accepted his guilt. The answer to this question is option D here. The reason why God forgave David here is because David accepted his guilt. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 5. It says, how did David perceive that his child from Bathsheba was dead? A. He saw his servants whispering together. B. God revealed it to him through Nathan. C. Bathsheba lamented the loss of her child. D. He received a message to that effect from Joab. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. He saw his servants whispering together. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 6. It says, you are the man. This statement by Nathan made David immediately A. confess and ask for forgiveness, B. abdicate his throne, C. order him out of the palace, D. order the killing of the child. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. confess and ask for forgiveness. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 7. It says, as one falls before the wicked, you have fallen. This is a part of David's lamentation over A. Saul, B. Jonathan, C. Abner, D. Absalom. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, Abner. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. The next question here is question number 8. It says, against whom were the Israelites fighting when King David committed adultery with Uriah's wife? A. The Ammonites, B. The Syrians, C. The Hittites, D. The Amorites. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, the Ammonites. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 9 here. It says, why did David spare the life of King Saul at Ziph? A. He did not want to shed blood. B. Saul was a fellow Israelite. C. Saul was anointed by God. D. He was Saul's son-in-law. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Saul was anointed by God. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. The next question here is question number 10. It says, Nathan told David that although God has put away his sin, he would still be A. Made to weep and fast, B. Required to make atonement, C. Bereaved of the child, D. Visited with plague. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, bereaved of the child. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. The next question here is question number 11. It says, when Nathan condemned him for murder and adultery, David A. fasted and prayed all night, B. confessed his sin before the Lord, C. married Bathsheba immediately, D. said, it is the Lord, let him do what seems good to him. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. David confessed his sins before the Lord. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here is question number 12. It says, when David repented of his adultery with Bathsheba, he said, A. The man who has done this deserves to die. B. I have sinned against the Lord. C. I have done wrong. D. Have mercy on me. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. When David repented of his adultery with Bathsheba, he said, I have sinned against the Lord. And that's it for this question, option B. Let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So guys, the next question here and the last is question number 13. It says, according to David in the Psalms, God forgives sins so that A. the sinner may not perish, B. he may be praised, C. the unrighteous may know him, D. he may be feared. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, so that he may be praised. And that's it for this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to also encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership community, where we post major updates on JAMB examination. So this will help you a lot as you prepare for your JAMB examination for the year. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.